Hello again, YouTube. Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on this Acura RDX. So when you hear people talk about replacing the air filter on a car, usually they're talking about this. This is the engine air filter. It allows the engine to breathe clean air. And sometimes you should be talking about this. This is a cabin air filter, or a dust and pollen filter. It filters the air that goes into the cabin where the occupants are. Alright, so the cabin air filter on this car, and most cars, is located behind the glove box or under the dashboard. So to get to it, you have to open the glove box, and this has a damper on it. You simply reach in here, take the weight off of the door, and then push the clip back like that to disengage it. Now the damper is disconnected. The second thing you have to do is just simply push in on each side, because there's two little bumpers here on the left and the right, and that allows the whole door just to drop completely out of the way so we have access to the filter housing. So this is the filter housing. This is the air box that, and the fan blower motor below it. Two tabs on either side. You just push them in and then gently pull this out like a drawer. And there's our old dirty cabin air filter. So you can see what kind of debris we've developed here over the last 30,000 miles. Pretty grungy. There's an airflow indicator on here. If you can see, the arrow points down. That's the direction the air flows through the filter. The fresh air comes in the top and flows out the bottom into the system. Now to remove it from the frame, just pop it out. That's the filter element, separate from the frame. Yeah. I'll say that needs replacing. So this shows you the importance of changing this thing periodically, keeping all that dust and pollen and debris out of the interior of your car and keeping the air quality high. The Hondas and the Acuras, I think a good rule of thumb is about every 30,000 miles. But you can adjust that depending upon the conditions you drive in. If you're driving very dusty conditions, you might want to do it more often. Now the new filter has a direction. You can see on it, it has the airflow direction on it. We want to make sure that points down. There are also some ridges, the front and back of the frame, that the edges of this filter are going to hang over. So I want to take the pleats on the end of the filter and hook them over that little lip there. Once that's done properly, there will never be a gap. The filter is always up against the housing. Same front and back. And it's all the way down in there, ready to be reinstalled. Installation is just a reversal of the same process. Just slide it in, snaps in place. Snap the glove box in like that, and reconnect the damper. Job done. Alright, so how long did that take? A couple minutes? It was pretty easy. I was curious how much money I saved, so I called around. I talked to the local quick lube place, and they wanted to charge $44 for this job. Not bad. I also called the local Acura dealership. They wanted $128. No thanks. What did I pay for this? I ordered it from Amazon for $5.90. I'm pretty happy with that result. Why pay somebody else to do it when you can do it yourself? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.